Okay, so first I'm going to take the darkest purple from the James Charles palette and place it all in my crease. Now I'm taking the lightest purple from the James Charles palette and I'm packing it right on top of the dark purple. Now I'm going to take the lightest pink from the James Charles palette and I'm just going to stamp it right on top of that light purple. Now I'm just cutting a halo crease and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Now I'm just taking the dark purple again and putting it on the ends of my halo crease. And after that I'm gonna use a small blending brush and blend out the edges of the halo crease with the light pink again. Now I'm just taking the white from the James Charles palette and I'm placing it right on top of where the rest of the eye primer is. Now I'm going to take a metallic liner from E.L.F. in the color Pink Opal and I'm going to place it right over where the white eyeshadow is. I'm going to take a white glitter that I got from off of Amazon and I'm going to place it right on top of that metallic liner. I'm not going to talk while I do my face. I'm going to do another video where I show y'all how I do my foundation routine, so I'll be back when I get ready to do the under eye. Okay, I took the Anastasia Eye Primer and put it on my waterline, and I got the lightest purple from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I placed it on top of that. And then I got the darker purple from the James Charles palette that I used on my crease on the outer parts of my under eye, and I blended it out with the 2 pink shades from the James Charles palette, and after that I put the metallic shade in the middle again. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit, and I'm taking the colors Regal, Unicorn, and Ethereal, I think that's how you say it, and I'm going to pop it right in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, everybody that knows me know that I love glitter, so I'm going to take my glitter highlighter from Glow Cosmetics, and I'm going to pop that on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead, and yes, I'm going to blend it out so it's not going to look crazy. Okay, this is the completed look for Lupus Awareness Month. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like this video, comment under, and subscribe to my channel. My social media will be listed.